Well, there's a breaking update coming in of Pakistan's second largest naval air station, PNS Siddiqui in Turbat, has been attacked with gunfire and multiple explosions that have been reported from the area. The Majid Brigade of the proscribed Balochistan Liberation Army has claimed responsibility for the attack on the naval air base in Turbat, as the Majid Brigade is opposed to China's investments in the province of Balochistan and accuses China and Pakistan of exploiting the region's resources. Let me go across to Rishabh now. Rishabh, the details, please, of this attack being reported.
Well, definitely. See, this is yet another attack on a military base in Pakistan. We have seen similar attacks in various parts of Pakistan. But when it comes to Balochistan, the BLA, the Balochistan Liberation Army, has been very, very critical of any Chinese investment in the area, be it at the Gwadar port or other areas. We have seen this brigade, the Majid Brigade of BLA, attacking Chinese engineers, Chinese vessels in past as well, and now an attack. And remember, this naval base had Chinese drones as well. So definitely something that is very, very significant happening in Balochistan. Remember, in past also, China has warning Pakistan that if this continues, it will be difficult for Chinese entities to function in Balochistan and develop the area. And now yet another attack. Remains to be seen how things unfold, but this showcases that the internal...
We are told in Turbat that has come under attack, and BLA has taken responsibility for this